Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's September 3rd, coming at you with another video here. Today we're going to get into VFX WorldWide. They have a utility coming out, Pulse. And what is Pulse? Well, Pulse is a trading platform that is doing crypto trading on central exchange. And they're trying to expand this to several exchanges down the road. But currently they're going to be doing crypto trading, and the platform has initially provided some numbers of 0.83% daily. So I'm, expecting between 0.5 and 0.75, kind of on the conservative side. But anyways, if you're interested in this, VFX has a token, and this trading platform is a utility, which is outside of that, you can invest in the trading platform and just earn the money, but it also has benefits to the token if you hold it. So, and that's part of the taxes and the structure of the way they've worked it. So you can earn well on this one. The Pulse trading platform is brought to you again, the donation app. We'll get to the website here right away. And this is coming on September 22nd. So if you want to get into this one, definitely get over to the Discord and Telegram. We'll have those links here as well, and we can take a look at that. If you want to see the information, we'll just start with their website, thevaultfinance.com. Now they've rebranded to VFX WorldWide. This is still their website, so don't be worried about that. There's nothing nefarious going on here. They just did a name change to VFX WorldWide, and this is their theinnovation.com is their DApp they're going to have. They already have an exchange and a launch pad, and when it's live, you just come over here and click on Pulse, and you can get in there, do your investment. So what do you do? Well, the minimum investment is $100. It's USDT on the Binance chain. So if you get in there, $100 up to each wallet for $100,000, and you have to go on daily, and you have to actually click the button. You can either claim or compound. You always have access to your principal. You can withdraw that as well. There are some taxes. So if you come on for 3 days and you need your money, you will be down because of the structure and the way the taxes work. It benefits the token as well as the holders for VFX, the token. So, but Pulse will earn you some good money over a year. You can obviously, monthly it's going to be, at 0.83 would be like almost 25%, 24.9, and yearly without any compounding, that's over 300%. And there is a calculator, which we will get into as well. Which we'll show this year, and I'll do another video on this, and we'll talk about that. And just remember, with the numbers that are here, it's not guaranteed on getting the results, but they did some back testing on it, and they've been running this for quite a while. It's solid, and they only pay out what they actually earn, so it's no Ponzi-nomics. They're not paying out money that they don't have. They just pay out what they earn. So it could be 0.3 one day, it could be 0.8, it could be even 1%, but they pay out what they earn minus the fees that are there, and we're going to get into that. But if you want to see a quick calculator of it, BitNoob is one of the community members. He created this. If you put in $1,000 and you do one iteration, so the contract is for 60 days. So you put your money in, your $100 minimum. You click every day, and after 60 days, you have to withdraw your money, and then there's some fees associated with that. So if you want to maximize your earnings, if you can, you want to compound every day for those 60 days, and then take your money off, and you can redo it. When you do withdraw, the tokens are converted from the USDTs on contract, and they trade with that on the central exchange. Goes into BNB. They move the tokens are moved into VFX, and if you want, you can do a one click, and you can actually get USDT as well. So there's transactions that happen underneath there, and it does benefit the token as well. But as you can see here, over your one iteration, you make 287% profit on 0.75. Now let's just do the lower one here, and there's upper levels, and we'll get into this a little bit higher. But if you do 6 iterations over the year, as you can see at 0.5, you're going to double your money, your $1,000 over the year. It's 360 days, as you can see here, and you can actually double your money. And if you go to 0.75, which is kind of I'm in that range to be conservative, you can get 300% if you do daily compounding over the year. So it's a good way you can have your $1,000 plus another $3,000 if you're wanting to do that. But anyways, we'll get into some more strategies on this, and I'll do another video on the calculator and some strategies on what you might want to do in the future. But let's take a little bit look at some of the structure and the costs. So here's a chart that they have, and the calculator is doing all this for you. But if you put in your $1,000, you get your daily trading profit. Say it's 0.5%, you earn $5 from that. There's a 15% dev fee. There's 2 teams of developers that are involved in Pulse, and they're kind of competing for each other. They have two different strategies, and the team can shift the money to one team, trading team, or the other, depending on which one is performing better. So there's a bit of competition, which is good for us as investors. But this 15% fee comes off before it's even seen in your wallet. So this is, your $5 goes to 425, and then each day you have to come and you can claim or compound. And so if you compound all the way through, every day on your profits, you're charged a 3% usage fee, and that's broken down as well on the calculator. But you take 3% off that, so then you're down to your $4.12 you earn. And if you compound it all the way through to day 60, you have your money here. And then when you withdraw, there's a 5% withdrawal fee, and it goes into VFX. So if you hold it there, you have the token, and you'd have your whole $1,215 in VFX. But most people probably want to, if you're not involved in the token, you probably want to get USDT. So when you do that, there is another fee because it's a transfer to your wallet when you withdraw from the contract in VFX tokens. So there's a 7% sell fee that will be happening. And right now, the token sell fees is 9% initially, but they're going to go to a V3 shortly after they launch this. So the sell taxes are going to be dropping down 2%. So you'll get another 7% off. So you'll have $130 that you'll have made over the 60 days. So this is the pulse that we have. It's a good piece and a tool. It's not the crypto parabolic, but you can earn off this. And if you get into it, and we'll do some, I'll do some more calculators on BitNoob's calculator, and we can get into actually, if you're doing 2 years down the road, and some strategies on, do you want to switch them into VFX if you're into the token, and how that will pay out as well. But anyways, if you do like my content, please like and subscribe. I'm happy to keep bringing you these. This is Gordon for Metaverse and Crypto.